Can we do it?
Hello, Luciq. I've never heard before this name at any Droidcon, so what are you doing at Droidcon?
You are correct. This is our first time being Luciq. We just debuted it at this Droidcon in Berlin.
Okay.
At the previous ones, we've been known as Instabug, so a lot of developers are familiar with us as Instabug, but we're evolving, so we thought we would change the name as well.
So why did you rename it? Instabug already everyone knows, so I've used it in all my previous projects, I can say.
That's a great question. When we first were developed about 10 to 12 years ago, we were just bug reporting, hence the name Instabug.
Okay.
But now we're such a comprehensive platform that name was just not doing us justice.
Okay.
And so when we wanted to rebrand and incorporate AI, we thought it was the perfect time to change the name.
Okay. This Droidcon team is AI, so what do you do with AI?
We're basically an Agentic Mobile Observability platform. So we have these AI agents that detect all of the bugs and issues in a mobile app, and they also give you resolutions like code fixes for developers to use or not use. And it basically saves developers time and lets them build features and build out the app and not have to worry about this part. So we're automating all of that.
Almost like a personal assistant.
Okay, cool. So what should I do? Should I update my Instabug version to something, or should I replace Instabug with something else?
It's going to be a complete replacement. So
Okay.
for like customers who used to be Instabug, we're going to be completely replaced now with Luciq.
Okay.
But our SDK is super lightweight, so it'll be a really seamless process. We actually talked to engineers recently, and it should take about 2 hours, give or take.
Interesting.
Yeah.
By the way, you're collecting some data at runtime in production. So is there any privacy concern or something there are apps which has million users and they don't want their users to be compromised. So what do you collect?
Great question.
Well, yeah, we're able to, you can toggle that on or off. So when we're collecting user feedback, a customer shakes the phone and their information gets sent over to developers. And we can basically hide all of the data if we want to, like the names, anything that we want, so that we're not seeing all of the user's information. So yeah, we have pretty good privacy settings on that.
And we have a feature where it's called like repro steps, and so it takes screenshots as you go, which reduces the time of like detecting crashes and bugs and whatnot. And like she was talking about, the masking capability is also on there. So you can block out, say, the user's name, their social security number if they're from a bank or something like that, or it can be as open as you want. It can be a full screenshot of exactly what the user sees.
And we do work with banks, so it's something that we're very familiar with that concern. Like we work with Nubank, and that's something that we are very familiar with, is like financial apps.
Interesting. And where's the headquarters?
We are, well, the founders of our company are from Cairo.
Yeah.
So most of our team, a huge team, is in Cairo, in Egypt, and the rest of us are just spread out across the US.
Okay.
We got some folks in the UK, and yeah, I'm from New York, so.
Okay.
I'm from Texas.
Okay.
I think we actually just had this discussion. I think there's about 170 in Cairo and then about 30 across the rest of the US.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting. And any office in Berlin or Germany?
Maybe in the future.
We actually just hired a European rep.
Okay.
I don't know where he's located though.
That's why I'm asking, do you hire Android developers or?
So
if they're in Cairo, we do, but that might open up. I'm not sure. You'd have to check the luciq.io website, and you could see any opportunities that are upcoming.
And more so than an Android developer, it would be an SDK developer.
Great, thank you. Thanks for your time.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.